Good morning, Foxes. I'm here with room 110, some special guests. We're going to record a video for you. We're going to tell you about the gallon castle. This week, room 110 is learning all about liquid capacity. Liquid capacity is learning what amounts are in containers that hold liquid. One of the best examples I can share with you is on my screen here, something that you probably see every day. Well, at least when we were in school, and if you go get the free lunch every day, like Noah, is your milk. Now, let me just point out that the milk has a label that tells how much is in there. It's a half pint. Okay, we're gonna learn a little bit about the word pint along with other liquid capacity in the story about the gallon castle. Okay, so let me get a piece of paper on the screen. Before I start, I want my guests to be able to say hello. They're going to be helping me out today in this meeting. So I'm going to just have each guest say hello and then we'll get started. Okay, so Cadence, let me unmute you so you can say hi to the Foxes.
Hello.
Hi, Cadence. I'm so happy to see you today. All right, Autumn, let me get you on the screen and let's say hello to the Foxes.
Hello.
Nice to see you, Autumn. And Eli, let's say hello to our Fox friends. He's waving at the camera. Hi.
When I was a baby, I got addicted to food for some reason.
Oh, really? Okay, well, thank you for joining us, Eli, and please keep your face in the screen so I know you're listening. And we have Justin. Hello. Let me unmute you first. Okay, hi, Justin. So nice to see you. I'm sure the Foxes are going to be happy to see you. And Carrie, our guest here. Let me unmute you. Okay, hi, Carrie.
Hi.
Oh, she looks cozy in her sparkly pink blankie. All right, let's get started with Gallon Castle. I have a blank piece of paper so I can tell you the story of the Gallon Castle. All right, so here is the Gallon Castle. And I would like for you, if you're at home, you could pause the video, grab some paper, grab a pencil or markers, and do the Gallon Castle with me. It would be very helpful for you later. I'm going to make the biggest G I possibly can to make a castle. Okay, this is my Gallon Castle, and if I wanted it to look more like a castle, I could probably put like turrets on it or something. Okay, so in this Gallon Castle lives 4 queens, and I'm going to make 4 big queens. They're taking up a lot of space in their castle. Okay, 4 queens live in this castle. Okay, you with me so far? Each one of these queens has a prince and a princess, and they probably fight a lot. So each one of the queens has a prince and a princess. Now, each one of these prince and princesses has a really cute little cat.
Say hi to Junior, my cat.
Okay, a cute little cat. Oh, but each one of them has 2 cats. These are some spoiled prince and princesses. So this one has 2 cats. And these are kind of like golden cats. Okay. Now, let's take this just a little bit further and talk about the cats. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Each one of these cats has spots. Okay, and it's going to be, I don't think I can zoom this in anymore. I'm going to have to draw these carefully. Each cat has 8 spots, so let me quickly give each one of these cats 8 spots. I'm just kind of poking with my marker. That's the quickest way for me to do it. 8 spots on each cat. And I might have missed a couple of spots here and there, but you get the idea. These kind of look like little cheetahs to me. I don't know why, because cheetahs don't have pink. I'm just thinking about cheetahs for some reason. Okay, now, here is our castle. The queens, the princes, the princesses, the kitty cats. The cats have spots. Let's discuss what this all means. Well, our Gallon Castle is just a picture, a story to help us remember some liquid capacity terms. So obviously the G, the giant G, stands for gallon. Let's write that down. It's one of our terms. Okay. The Q, it stands for queen, but it also stands for quart. Okay, the prince and the princesses. The P also stands for pint. Those cats. C for cat, C for cup. And all those little spots that the cats have, okay, they kind of look like circles or O's, which would stand for ounce. Okay, now, on the LMS page or the Power School page for my fourth graders, there's a chart that is going to help you know some of the ways to convert these measurements. Now, everything within the gallon equals the gallon. 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. If you count up all the pints, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then you know there are 8 pints in a gallon. Same with the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cups in a gallon, okay? Now I'm gonna write down on this paper 4 of the, what we call conversions, which means that they're equal to each other. I'm just gonna write down the 4 that my fourth graders will find on their Power School this week. This is gonna be really helpful for you when you do your assignments on Power School. So one of these cups, which you can write cup with C, period, equals 8 ounces. That means the 8 little circles are O's. An ounce can be written O-Z. 1 cup equals 8 ounces. Okay, the pint. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart, or queen, like in our story, which can be written as QT. Oh, cutie. Sounds like you're trying to say cutie pie. Equals 2 pints. And the fourth one I just want you to remember for now is that 1 gallon, which can be written like this, equals 4 queens or 4 quarts. Okay, this is our gallon castle. It's going to be really helpful along with the chart found on your Power School this week. Any other foxes that are watching, I have a challenge for you after you're done with your video. When you are done with this video, I would really like for you to go find something in your house, kind of like how I showed you our school milk, which says a half pint. First of all, half pint, let me ask one of my helpers in this video, how much would a half pint be? If you know 1 pint is 2 cups, raise your hand if you want to share and I will put you on the screen. What is a half pint? If 1 pint is 2 cups, what is a half pint? Any takers? Any hands? Oh, I see Carrie's hand went up. Carrie, let me put you on the screen and get you unmuted. 1 half pint is how many cups?
1 cup.
1 cup. Thank you. That means that when you drink your school milk, you get 1 cup of milk. Okay. Challenge for the foxes. Go in your house and find something that tells you about liquid capacity. I found tons of examples in my house just looking in the kitchen. I had some vanilla that said 8 ounces. Okay, I found some vinegar that had 12 ounces. I found this thing here, heavy whipping cream, and if you look at the bottom, it says 1 quart. Okay, so my challenge to you is to go find, I can't get that on the screen, go find something that has liquid capacity and share it with Mrs. Pommer. I would love to hear about it. We're going to end the recording. Thank you for joining us for the Gallon Castle story. I'm going to let my foxes say goodbye one at a time. Eli, you're up. Go ahead and say goodbye to your fox friends.
Bye.
And Autumn, go ahead. You're up. Go ahead and say goodbye to your fox friends. I can't get you unmuted for some reason. There you go. Go ahead and say goodbye to all the foxes, Autumm.
Because like in a bundle.
It's in a bundle. Bye-bye. And Cadence, her face is not on the screen, but I'm going to let her say goodbye.
Goodbye.
And then finally we have Justin. Go ahead and say goodbye to everyone.
Adios.
By the way, I love that tree on your wall. That's a pretty fancy artwork you have going on back there. All right, thank you, Justin. And Carrie, go ahead and say goodbye to all your Fox friends.
Bye.
All right, thank you guys, and we will see everyone later. Thank you for joining us.